Welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series, where we simplify BIM workflows and turn them into practical insights for everyday projects. I'm Namrata, and in today's episode, we're focusing on doors and windows in Revit families. While these elements might seem simple, properly managing their openings, parameters, and family structures can greatly improve project efficiency and documentation accuracy. Joining me again is Dilip, our BIM manager at SDC, who will share 5 practical tips that can help Revit users create better door and window families. Welcome back, Dilip. What is the first tip when creating doors or windows in Revit families?
The first tip is creating complex openings for doors and windows. By default, Revit uses a simple opening cut that passes straight through the wall. However, some designs require more customized openings. In those cases, we can use void extrusions instead of the default opening. This allows us to control the depth and shape of the cut, which is useful for detailed window designs or spaces for blinds and architectural features.
Why is assigning proper categories important in door and window families?
Each element inside a door or window family, such as panels, frames, glass, or swing lines, should be assigned to the correct subcategory. When categories are organized properly, it becomes easier to control their appearance in the project using visibility graphics settings. This allows teams to make global visual changes without editing each family individually.
How can shared parameters improve door and window management?
Shared parameters help store information that can be used across different families and schedules. For example, we can create a wall thickness reporting parameter inside a door family. This parameter reads the thickness of the host wall and allows it to appear in door schedules, which helps teams coordinate with manufacturers and ensure the correct door sizes for each wall type.
What is the benefit of using a type catalog?
A type catalog helps manage families that contain many different types. Instead of loading every variation into the project, the catalog allows users to choose only the required types. This keeps the project lighter, improves performance, and makes it easier to manage large libraries of door or window families.
What is the final tip for efficient door and window family creation?
The final tip is creating a family template. When multiple families share similar parameters or structures, it's useful to save a prepared family and convert it into a template. This allows users to start new door or window families from the same base setup, saving time and maintaining consistency across projects.
Dilip, thanks for sharing these practical Revit tips with us. And to our listeners, mastering Revit families is a key part of BIM efficiency. Small improvements in how families are built can make a big difference in project coordination and documentation. Stay tuned for the next episode of the SDC Knowledge Series.